Now the left hand bevel is set. So this side is like this, bevel side. So it should be the angle between the double line, and then we shouldn't see the line in between. If we see the double line, might be if angle too low, and then this side sharpen, but still not yet this side. So we have to make a little bit do angle, or keep on sharpening and to make the all the way to the edge without the double line. And then should be the we see double line starting sharpening line and edge line, then should be okay. And then if it's hard to see, magnifying glass help us a lot to find out what's going on the edge. And then the other side, the flat side, even flat, but it's about 10 degrees, so might be slightly double line, but look like we can see the single line if it's successfully set the bevel. Okay, this is 2000 grit, and we're going to do the pencil line like this, and then make it wet a little bit, and then make sure it's flat or not. Yeah, almost gone the pencil line. Okay, and then make sure the edge is not sharp. You might get an injury or bothering the sharpening process. And then again, we sharpen from the bevel side. Make sure the wash away very well. Start from the tip, the little bit, the curve line, same thing, the little bit higher angle all over the, using the all over the whetstone. And then after past the curve line, make it a little bit down, like 35. Again, from the tip to the heel. Keep on the same angle, and then it's gonna be not as much as 500 grit sharpening. We can feel the bar a little bit all the way. Then we can sharpen the other side, maybe 10 degree. This side only all we need is to remove the burr. And then make sure burr is gone on the side, and then again. It should be okay now. And then just try to cut the newspaper. Sometimes tiny bars still remain, so try to use newspaper. The bevel side is same thing, 35 degree, and then tip a little bit stand up. Remove the ball. The other side 10 degree. A little bit more. Should be a little bit better. Just like that. That's for the sharpening for the left hand set chef knife. Thank you.